Hey, what is going on, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be going over the trades that I am watching for tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday, July 9th, and these are the stocks that I'll be watching. So we're going to hop right onto the charts. Alrighty, guys, so the first one on our list is Tesla. So we can see Tesla today, it attempted to break out of this 257, 256 zone, and the next supply level is 263. It kind of was not able to find that level. We can see it came up here, and then it made its way right back down. So for Tesla, obviously I like longs, but for today, I'm watching longs around this area. So if we start bouncing back down to 243, 244, that's where I want to grab some long. So I don't want to be chasing any moves to the upside. I want to get the bounces off these support areas down here. And yeah, so that's the only thing that I'm watching for Tesla. Our main watch for tomorrow is possibly AMD. So I went over AMD yesterday and the trade worked out perfectly. If you guys watched my video from yesterday, I told you guys watch AMD in the morning. If we break out of this 174 zone and then we find support here, this thing can move, and it did exactly that. It took some time. It took almost until noon for this thing to start making its way up higher, but today we kind of have the same kind of thing going on. We broke this 178 supply level, and if AMD can hold this 178 zone, it can continue higher up and find its way towards 180, 181, and then eventually around that 183 supply zone, which is our main level of resistance that is coming up. So that's what I am watching for AMD for tomorrow. Next on our list is Meta. So Meta had a very nice pullback today. It dropped from the 540 levels all the way down to back down in the 520s, which gives us some opportunities to trade this now. We were at all-time highs up here, but now that we have this pullback, we finally have some opportunities. We can see right here, we have this demand zone all the way down here at 524, 525 range. We can see that we are bouncing around that area already. We didn't quite get to that level yet. So tomorrow, if we reach that 525, 526 level down here, that is where I am interested in Meta, and the game plan will be pretty easy. So if we come down here, our next level would be, so if we come down to this 525 level, this is kind of the trade we'll be looking at. Let me show you guys. So if we come down to this 525 level and we show some support, you know, our next level is maybe up here at 540, you know, the psychological level, and then our stop loss will be here if we lose this level. So our risk to reward is really good, like a 4-to-1. So this is a main watch for me for tomorrow. Next on our list is NVDA. So NVDA started making some moves today. I was speaking about NVIDIA yesterday, where I said it seems like buyers are trying to step in, but sellers keep bringing this thing back down. We can see this from, I believe, on Wednesday. This thing ran up all the way from 120s all the way to almost 130, and then those sellers pushed it right back down. And today we kind of had that same thing. In pre-market, we went from 125 all the way to 131 almost, and then those sellers brought it right back down. So what I want to see is NVIDIA show some strength above 130. So if we see a nice green candle above 130 and it actually holds, then this thing can start moving again towards that 140 level. We can see how important this 130 level is here. This was a very nice support level for NVIDIA in the recent past, as we can see from right here and right here and right here. And then once we lost that area, it's kind of just been a struggle for NVIDIA to hold above that area. So we can see this is near like the mid to end of June, and then this is near the end of June, and then we tried again a couple days ago, failed, and then we tried again today, and we almost had that break today, but we failed. So I think tomorrow can finally be the day where NVIDIA breaks above this level, comes back down, retests that 129, and finally starts making its way higher. So that is what I am watching for NVIDIA for tomorrow. Alrighty, guys, next on our list is Amazon. So Amazon, this is not something that I want to trade immediately, but we can see Amazon has been struggling to break this highs of 200 plus. So we can see Amazon attempted to break this 201 level over here. It was rejected, came back to this $200 level again, was rejected a little bit, and then it tried again today and it almost broke out, but it got rejected again. So once we can break this with some nice volume, we can finally see Amazon play like Apple and start making that move higher. But this is a patient game, so we're going to be waiting for Amazon to break away from this level. But what I also like a lot is if we come and we test this zone right here. So this would be very ideal. If we come back down and test 196, this is a really nice support level here at 196, and that is where I would like to go long. A lot of buyers are sitting right there. So that is Amazon. And then the last thing on our watch list, possibly, or we went over, did we go over Tesla? Yeah, we went over Tesla already. So that is all I am watching for tomorrow: Tesla, Amazon, NVDA, Meta, and AMD. There's nothing else that is on my watch list. So remember, guys, set your alerts. We also have Jerome Powell speaking at 10 a.m. All right, guys, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching again, and peace.